The excitement surrounding the highly anticipated Galaxy S24 series has surged following leaked renders of the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Recently, authentic-looking real-life images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra surfaced, seemingly dispelling doubts about its appearance. A Twitter user closely scrutinized the device, confidently asserting its authenticity over being a mere dummy. Despite the source of these images being unfamiliar, a sense of credibility is added by Ice Universe, a reputable Samsung tipster who vouched for the picture's authenticity. This endorsement heightens the possibility that these images might indeed be the first accurate glimpses of the actual phone. The live images closely align with earlier leaked renders from OnLeaks, drawing comparisons to the Galaxy S23 Ultra or the Galaxy S22 Ultra. A noticeable departure is observed in the nearly flat display, featuring a subtle curve on the side edges, deviating from the more pronounced curves seen in previous Ultra models. Another distinctive change is evident in the boxy side frame, emphasizing sharper edges and creating the illusion of the back glass being embedded within a protective frame. Notably, the leaked images reveal the S Pen protruding conspicuously from the phone's frame, likely due to it being a pre-production unit with expectations of a smoother finish on the final retail models. While these leaked images provide a detailed glimpse into the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a degree of skepticism is warranted. They can be inaccurate, fake, or represent color, material, and finish CMF prototypes that may not make it to the market. Despite these considerations, the images closely align with available information, offering one of the most detailed looks at the device so far. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.